Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming internet access and the two Microsoft credentials. You need both to link profiles. Once ready, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Family and Other Users. Click Add Account and choose Sign in with a Microsoft account. This creates a Windows user tied to that Microsoft ID. Make sure you choose whether it's a standard or administrator account now. This step gives each identity its own secure profile and preserves separate OneDrive, Edge, and app data automatically. Once you've created the second account, sign into each Windows user profile to initialize settings and allow OneDrive to finish first-time sync. Make sure to select or move the OneDrive folder you want for each account so files stay separate. Set up Windows Hello or a PIN for faster switching, and adjust app permissions in settings so apps use the correct account. If you use Office apps, sign into each Office profile individually so licenses and recent files map to the right Microsoft account. Finish by configuring default apps, Microsoft Store account, and theme for each profile so you get the expected experience after switching. Use the Start menu avatar or Ctrl+Alt+Del to switch users quickly. This keeps session data isolated. If OneDrive or app sign-ins misbehave, unlink and relink the affected account inside OneDrive or app settings. This resolves token conflicts. If problems persist, sign out fully and sign back in or restart the laptop. That refresh often fixes background sync and credential issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.